In today's video, we're going to explore some of the best APK Extractor apps for Android. If you want to easily extract and manage the APK files of your installed applications, you're in the right place. Join us as we take a closer look at 3 fantastic apps that can help you with all your APK extraction needs. XAPK Extractor v App Analyzer. XAPK Extractor v App Analyzer is a powerful app that allows users to extract APK and XAPK files from their installed applications. The app is user-friendly, making it easy to navigate and select the apps you want to extract. In addition to extraction, it provides detailed information about each app, such as version number, package name, and size. This app is particularly useful for managing backups of your favorite apps, sharing them with others, and analyzing app performance. Its ability to handle both APK and XAPK formats makes it a versatile tool for Android users. APK Extractor, APK Manager. APK Extractor APK Manager is a straightforward app designed specifically for extracting APK files from installed applications. This app offers a clean and simple interface, allowing users to easily choose the apps they wish to extract. The extracted APKs can be saved to the device storage or shared with others, making it convenient for backups or transferring apps between devices. Additionally, APK Extractor APK Manager includes features for batch extraction, meaning you can extract multiple APKs at once, saving you time and effort. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking for a no-frills solution for APK extraction. ML Manager APK Extractor. ML Manager APK Extractor is a feature-rich app that not only allows users to extract APK files, but also offers a beautiful and intuitive interface. Users can browse through their installed applications and easily extract APKs with just a tap. The app also provides additional features like multi-extraction, allowing bulk APK extractions, and the option to create backups of extracted files. ML Manager includes an integrated file explorer, making it easy to manage your extracted APKs. Its user-friendly design and comprehensive functionality make it a top choice for APK extraction. Thank you for joining us in this review of the best APK Extractor apps available for Android. We hope you found this information helpful for managing your APK files more effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more useful content.